Aloha friends, I want to talk to you today about the amazing return on investment that you get from growing a garden compared to the return on investment that you can get from a financial institution. If you really want to see abundance in this lifetime, look to a garden rather than an interest-earning financial account. Let's talk about what kind of return on investment you can get from a well-planted seed. Let's say that you planted one pigeon pea seed in the ground and let it grow for a few months. Then you harvested 1,000 seeds that grew from that pigeon pea plant, so you ended up with 1,000 seeds. Here's the simple return on investment formula. The gain from investment minus the cost of investment altogether divided by the cost of investment. So you would have 1,000 seeds gained for one seed invested. You got 999 more seeds than you started with. 999 seeds divided by the one seed initial cost of investment, 999% return on investment. If you get a return of 1,000 seeds from growing one seed, then you get 999 more seeds. Divide the 999 seeds you got by the one seed you put in, and there's your return on investment percentage. And all of this return comes in 6 months or a year. Compare that to the stock market, where you can expect to average 6% return on investment per year. That's if you're lucky and you keep your money invested in the stock market for 30 years. Imagine how many seeds you might have after a few years of planting seeds. This oak tree that is over 100 years old came from a seed. Came from a seed. Great power in seeds. The great oak tree's acorns fall to the ground and grow into new oak trees. Here is another example of nature's infinite abundance. The mathematics of exponential abundance in nature. What happens with banana trees, these are banana trees, and they can start out as one tree, just like this little banana tree, and their roots will grow outward, and they will pop up brand new banana trees around them. So this used to be just one tree, and now it's all of these different trees around here. So you can see bananas are also multiplying in an exponential rate, but much more slowly than the rate that seeds multiply. But I also wanted to show you that in these bananas that we can grow here, these are an ice cream variety, they actually also do produce seeds. So that's another way that they are also multiplying and creating more and more of their own kind. If you plant a fruit tree, like someone planted this orange tree 50 years ago, you can expect to receive fruit for decades or generations. And we had planted a few green onions out here, but as you can see, there are so many green onions. These spiky little cutie pies here that grow super well here. And they also multiply underground by their roots, which I can show you how that works. Let me pull up, this looks like a fun one. Okay, holding their roots together are these big connective roots. So they're so interesting. Kind of like the bananas, their roots multiply. And see how each one of these green onions is separate, but it's also connected. This is the couple of them that I took off. But this, you can see, it's still also connected down to its main bottom root. So it is also multiplying out through division of roots. These are seedlings from previous years. And then some of the newest, babiest seedlings. Well, they're really cute. These are younger. And then these right here are the brand new ones that have just sprouted up. So see how that abundance goes. This strawberry patch all came from one strawberry plant. The strawberries, you can dig up a little piece and move it to somewhere else. So that's what we did initially. We made like a couple patches of strawberries and they just keep growing farther and farther out. So there's more abundance. There's some more of the strawberries. So all these strawberries. And now we have moved strawberries down into the bottom food forest as well. So they will be taking over as flooring down there, as part of the flooring. We have mixed flooring. Here we can see great evidence of the infinite abundance of seeds. All of these were just seeds that sprouted out after I tossed them out here after the last rain. I tossed them out onto the mulch and the seeds themselves sprouted, and now they are going to create more seeds and more abundance through making seeds themselves. And what's fun about all of these plants is that I chose them myself as edibles and flowers and herbs that I love. So it's been fun to be able to put into the soil and create a garden that suits my taste. And you could do that too. Create a garden that has what you love in it. So hopefully you have a good idea of how amazing nature's abundance is. And we are looking at a goji berry right here. And I wanted to say that not only does food grow in the garden, but also many of the plants in the garden can be used to alleviate physical symptoms, to create optimum health in the body, and also for cleaning, for personal care. I create hair coloring and shampoos from garden products and house cleaning products. So, and I experience tremendous health. Haven't been to the doctor in at least a decade and have no symptoms of anything wrong. So I think living in the garden with nature's abundance is a very excellent way to live. So I hope you'll go check out our website at Aloha Food Forest, www.alohafarms.net, where I have lots more tips and tricks on starting and growing a food forest, and tells a lot more stories about our experiences here over the last 6 years. So anyway, aloha from the Aloha Food Forest.